Let's solve some more questions on simple equations for class 7. Here is the question. The question is equal sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter less than third side. Okay, if the perimeter is is 55 centimeter, find their sides or find its sides. So by the word, the first word gives an idea if two equal sides of a triangle mean in this triangle two sides are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. If you draw a figure, it classify all your doubts. Let me draw a figure for isosceles triangle. It is isosceles triangle where these two sides are equal. What the condition? These two sides are 5 centimeter less than this side. 5 centimeter less. So if I take this x, this is x minus 5 and it is also x minus 5. Okay. And also you are given the perimeter of this triangle. That means the sum of the three medians. So let me name the triangle ABC to call easily. In our solution we define triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Therefore, I say AB is equal to AC. Let base, of course it is given as the third side, here it is the base in our triangle. I define base is x centimeter. Therefore, the equal sides, that is AB and AC, both measure x minus 5 centimeter. Perimeter. We know the sum of three sides gives the perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter, by question we have 55 centimeter. It is the sum of AB plus AC plus BC, which is 55 centimeter. Okay. Let us continue here. What is AB by question? X minus 5. AC also x minus 5 and BC is equal to x. I write x minus 5 plus x minus 5 plus x is equal to 55 centimeter. Okay. First side, second side, third side. The sum of these 3x minus 5 minus 10, which is equal to 55. This is a simple equation by transposing 1 by 1, where is x plus 10. Okay. So 3x is equal to 65. X is equal to 65 by 3, that is 21 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay. 21 2 by 3 centimeter. By adding 5 to this, we get equal side. Therefore, we got x value, that is BC. Therefore, BC is equal to 21 2 by 3 centimeter. And AB and AC both are 5 centimeter less than this. That means 21 minus 5 is 16 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay, let's verify the sum. 16 2 by 3, 16 2 by 3, 21 2 by 3. Okay. The sum of whole number part. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 6, 13. 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the fractional part, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That means 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2. We got 55. So don't worry, whenever you get the side of a triangle is a fraction, don't continue. This is one question. And one more question. Two complementary angles differ by 10 degrees. Find their measure. Okay, we know what are complementary angle mean. If the sum of any two angles is 90, we call them complementary angles. Here, the difference of the first and its complement is 10. Or I can say one is 10 degrees more than the other, or one is 10 degrees less than the other. You may take in any concept way. Here I define, let an angle is x degrees, therefore its complement, I said already, you may not take x minus 10, x plus 10 also right. I take x plus 10 is its complement. So the sum of these two is 90 degrees because they are complement. So I take x plus 10 is equal to 19. So 2x plus 10 is equal to 19. Then 2x is equal to 90 minus 10. 2x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 by 2, which is 40 degrees. Okay, I got one angle. Therefore, first angle and second angle, I define it is 10 degrees more than this, though 50 degrees. The sum is 90. Okay, very simple question and 2 or 3 marks question. One more question on the concept of supplementary angles. Two supplementary angles differ by 8 degrees. 8 degrees. Find the angles. You know how to define the two angles here now. I define the first is x, other is x plus 8. This time I take x minus 8. Okay. Let an angle is x degrees. Its supplement is x minus 8 degrees. I don't take x plus 8 because I took x plus 10 in the last question. I take x minus for a change. Okay. And the sum of these two is 180 because they are supplementary. So first angle plus second angle together 180 degrees. So 2x minus 8 is 180 degrees. Then 2x is equal to 180 minus 8 become plus 8. So 2x is equal to 188. Then x is equal to 188 by 2, which is 94 degrees. So first angle I got. And second angle 8 less than this. So 94 minus 8. 14 minus 8, 6, 86. 86 degrees. The sum together 180. Okay. And these questions are very simple. Definitely they appear in the examinations. Practice the same kind, some more from different sources. Thank you for watching. We conclude this chapter in our next video. please subscribe and also press the bell button. Thank you. And also please do subscribe to my channel. Thank